What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we're going to be doing the first run on my Traxxas Maxx Ultimate. We brought it out to one of my favorite spots. We'll go ahead and give you guys a little pan view. We got plenty of bumps and jumps to get some pretty good air. And bring it back for you here. We'll be running on these 10,000 mAh Z4S battery packs. We went ahead and put the Traxxas adapter on there so we can run it on this truck. If you guys are interested in these batteries or the adapters, I'll go ahead and put those links down in the description below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and do it. All right, we got the Maxx all cleaned up. I have to say it did take me a few minutes to get used to driving a truck on the smaller side since we're used to the X-Maxx and XRT, which the heavier trucks are a little bit more forgiving in the turns and everything when you're kind of hitting the turns real fast, as opposed to something lighter tends to want to kind of flip fairly easily, so you got to be a little more cautious on how fast you're hitting the turns. Although with the Wide Max kit, this truck seemed to handle them really well, but when it did get kind of grip, it just kind of wanted to flop over and keep flipping. But this truck is rugged. It took some hits and just kept on going. Towards the end of the day there, we're really kind of giving it the sauce and hitting a lot of those jumps flat out. Ended up taking some really good hits. We didn't break anything. The body kind of definitely seen some better days. I really didn't want to do that kind of damage the first run out, but I have to say we had a lot of fun. We'll definitely pick up an extra body. That way when it's here on the shelf, it'll look presentable. And this body will be just for bashing since we did put it through its paces. But my verdict on this truck, it is a beast. It took some licks and just kept on going. But anyway, you guys, I hope you liked the video. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time we drop a new video. And until next time, thank you. All right, now my wife wants to try. Let's see if she said she can handle it better than I can. Let's see. You got it, baby?
I got it.
All right. Uh-oh, hold on a second. There we go. Oh, that was some good air, babe. That was your first jump. Nice. Whoa! Body off. Right? I got it on. You got it on? Yes, babe, I definitely am impressed. I think I'm going to have you drive it now. I'll film. I'm good with that. Did it go on, buds? No. Okay, let Daddy get it.